Hi children, let us continue our ICT class, okay? Look here children, we finished the different effects of the Audacity, isn't it? Next, playing the poem in audio player, that we need to study. In that, activity 9.6, let us export the project is the first one, okay? Before that, let us see audio file formats. Uncompressed audio formats, which are they children? What is the meaning of that? We are going to study. This is the best file format for saving original audio files. Though such files are bigger in file size, their quality of sound would be high. Do you understand that? The uncompressed audio formats, they are children .wav, .aiff, etc. are the uncompressed audio formats that we can see after this, okay? In this file is in bigger size, but it is in a quality, good quality, okay? The next one, uncompressed, means it is not made, what we can say, compressed means ചുരുക്കി വെക്കുക, compressed ചുരുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് കംപ്രഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ചുരുക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഫോർമാറ്റാണ് കംപ്രസ്ഡ്. അൺകംപ്രസ്ഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നേരെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് അല്ലേ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് കംപ്രസ്ഡ്, വിച്ച് ഈസ് നോട്ട് കംപ്രസ്ഡ്, ഓക്കെ. ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് ലോസ്ലെസ് കംപ്രസ്ഡ് ഓഡിയോ ഫോർമാറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? നഷ്ടമില്ലാതെ കംപ്രസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, ലോസ്ലെസ്. In this file format, the files are stored in a compressed manner. അത് ചുരുക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Without losing any information, that its main feature is original compressed format that can be regenerated from this format. That means what children? We can regenerate the original files which is not loss there, which have no loss there, okay. That means നഷ്ടപ്പെടാതെ, സൗണ്ട് എഫക്ട്സ്, സൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ ഒരു ക്വാളിറ്റി നഷ്ടപ്പെടാതെ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ കംപ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നതിന് ഫോർമാറ്റുകളാണ് .FLAC ആൻഡ് .ALAC ഇൻ ആപ്പിൾ, ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് ലൂസി കംപ്രസ്ഡ് ഓഡിയോ ഫോർമാറ്റ്. കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ കംപ്രസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു പോകുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് ഒറിജിനാലിറ്റികളൊക്കെ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു പോകും. അത്തരം ഫയൽസാണ് .mp3 കേട്ടോ. കുറച്ച് നല്ല ഒറിജിനൽ ഫയലല്ല ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൽ mp3യിൽ നമ്മൾ കേൾക്കുന്നത്. കുറച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ എന്താണ് തിങ്സൊക്കെ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടതാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിച്ച് എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ കുറച്ച് വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടെന്നാണ് സൗണ്ട് എഞ്ചിനീയർമാർ പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദിസ് ഫയൽ ഫോർമാറ്റ്, സിൻസ് ഡാറ്റ ഈസ് സേവ്ഡ് ഇൻ ഒമിറ്റിംഗ് certain information, it leads to decrease in the file size. എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഒമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? certain information ഡിക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതിൻ്റെ ഫയൽ സൈസ് ഡിക്രീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ്. അതിൻ്റെ ഫയൽ സൈസ് ഡിക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ്. ദ ഡ്രോബാക്ക് ഈസ് നോട്ട് സോ ഗുഡ് ക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് സൗണ്ട്. എന്താണ് ഡിസഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ഗുഡ് ക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് സൗണ്ട്. Example is mp3. We are thinking that mp3 is a good quality. No children, that is not a good quality original sound. Then .ogg and .amr, these three are not a good quality sound. But which are the quality sounds? WAV files are very good quality and .aiff files are also very good quality, okay. These also have a good quality, but it is a compressed form. Which one? .FLAC and .ALAC, okay. You understand that children? Let us go to the activity 9.6 for exporting the project, okay. For exporting the project, what we need? Open the window. First we needs to make the project which we needs to export, that we made. Then open the window, file, export as mp3. We are going to make it as mp3 children. Our audio file is here in Audacity. I opened that, okay. Our audio file is here. Let us export that file. How is that children? File, export as mp3. Okay, export as mp3. In that window, what we need to change, children? Look here, audacity.mp3 is the file name and it is going to document. We need to change its path where we need to save, and its file name also we need to change. How we need to save it? You can give the file name. Okay, I am simply giving poem 1 or Puduvarsham, as you like you can give. I am simply give a poem 1.mp3 is given, already there, mp3 is there. We need to select our folder. Which folder you want to save, children? In which folder? Images 10 is there, student work 9, sorry, student work 8. You want to save in student work 8. We can create a folder of your own, and otherwise you can save simply. I am saving simply here poem 1.mp3. After that, what we need? Nothing we want to change here. If you want, you can change here. You look here, children, the different types of file formats. We are taking only mp3 as the file type. Then we want to take it as save. Okay. Then they are asking about the poem, artist name, track title, album title, etc. is saying. If you want, you can give. Otherwise, you don't want to give the all the things, children. Okay. Let us give a okay. Yes, that is exported. Let us look where it is exported. It is exported where, children? In home. In home, we take a student work 8. In that we saved poem 1.mp3. You can see here poem 1.mp3. We can open it. Do you see? In Audacity it is opened and playing. The sound is less, that is it.
ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം ആടി പോനുള്ളിൽ പോയ പൊന്നോണം.
Let us pause. Okay, once more.
അറിഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം. ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം ആടി പോനുള്ളിൽ പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം.
Let us pause this, and I am reducing the speaker sound, children, because while recording the speaker sound is more, it will get a disturbance. Okay, I am closing this. You see that our exported file, and where is our original file, Audacity file, children? In my folder that I saved, I will show you. Look here, children, where is that? In 8th standard. Look here, one of audacity.aup. This is the project file. You can't identify which folder, or sorry, which audio file player, which audio player we can select to open it. We can't take open with Audacity is given here. Open with other application, only Audacity. Okay, that means it is a project file. We can't open the project file through any audio player, that you understand. Okay, we can't open it. Therefore, we are opening through it after exporting. That is the importance of exporting, for getting it as in the form of an audio file. That is the use of exporting, children. Is it clear now, children? Okay, yes. The next one is that, children, we need to identify the audio files. How we want to identify the audio files? From the school resources we have different audio files. These are the different types of audio files, and compatible players we need to identify. All of you, while watching this video, you must complete this table also. Okay, look here, children, let us take the audio files. Okay, let us take the audio files from school resources. From where it is? From school resources, standard 8, audio files. Okay, from audio files you can see these are the different types of audio files, children. if.aif, adhijeevanam.aiff, bgm.mp3, കിട്ടും പണമെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ .amr, then mp3, ogg, wav, wma. These are the different audio files. Okay, let us open first one. Do you understand? It is SM player. It is playing with the SM player. The volume is less, that is why you can't hear.
കൊന്നമരമേ, വെയിലിനെ ഒരുക്കി സ്വർണമാക്കി കാതലണിയുന്ന പണി അതിനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കണേ. കൊന്നമരമേ, വെയിലിനെ ഒരുക്കി സ്വർണമാക്കി കാതലണിയുന്ന പണി അതിനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കണേ.
Okay, you heard that. Which is the player? SM player. We know that. Close it. The next one, it is .aiff children. Next one is in our textbook. .aiff is not here. You want to write here .aiff SM player. Okay. Then the next, which one is that? MP3. MP3 is played with which children? Audacious is the player, you know. Okay. The next one, .amr children. .amr. Which is the player? We don't know which is the player.
ധ്രുവചരിതം ശീതങ്കൻ തുള്ളിൽ നിന്നും ഒരു ഭാഗം. മനുഷ്യന്മാരുടെ മോഹങ്ങൾ ഓരോന്നേ ഞാനുര ചെയ്യുന്നു കേൾക്ക നീ ബാലക.
Let us close this also. Which is that player? Its name we can't hear. See, look here, open with videos. Videos is the application. In that I am going to right click and look which are. It is also open with Audacious. Which format children? .mp3. Then next open with Audacious, which is the format mp3. The next one open with Audacious, which is the file. Look there, .ogg is the format, .ogg. Okay, the next one vedam.wav. wav, which one is the software? Open with videos. Okay, open with the videos. Next one is wma, open with the videos. Look here children, this is the file which is open with the
കൊന്നമരങ്ങളിൽ സ്വർണം വിളയുന്ന പുണ്യകാലങ്ങളിൽ ചൈത്രത്തിൽ മൂളുന്ന പൊന്നോ വിഷുക്കുണ്ടോ പലതിക്കുമീ നിഷ്കള നിർവൃതിയൻ.
That is here, one of the player videos. Is it clear children? These are the different file formats you want to write here. Okay, which are the file formats and which are the players we can use. Compatible players also you can write here. Here you want to write .aiff. After that, which one is not here? WMA is not there, that one to write. Then OGG is here, the WAV is also here, MP3 here, AMR is not here. Yes, AMR is also here. OGG you want to write, OGG also here. That all you complete children. Okay, by watching the video. Is it clear children? Okay, let us continue. Which one is the next activity in our textbook? Combining introduction and background music. That is the next activity we need to do. Combining introduction and background music with our poem. That is how you want to do. We can see. We can mix different files using Audacity audio files in a folder. School resources. We need to combine one of the file. Which one is said here is, for this introduction and a suitable background music have to be exported. This can be done in the same way you exported in your poem into mp3 format. For the time being, you may use the introduction and background music in audio files folder of school resources. That let us take children. Okay, open the Audacity and we need to import that audio files to our Audacity. How we imported the poem according to that. Narration.mp3 and bgm.mp3. that. Narration.mp3 is the introduction and bgm.mp3 is the what children, background music. We needs to add these two also to our audio file. Let us do that. Okay, our Audacity is here. Let us file, import audio. Which children? We needs to take our school resources folder, school resources, standard 8 audio files. That is not getting. File, import audios, school resources, standard 8. Examples we don't want. Standard 8 audio files is not getting this way. Let us see. I am cancelling this children. Let us see how we want to take it. I am looking.